Everybody, it's me, T. Rail. We are right here at the Carolinas Rapture Center. We taking y'all through a journey through the woods. Welcome to it. We're gonna go see all the birds and the animals, all the birds in the woods, owls and all kinds of different. They got a squirrel crawling up the tree. There he goes. And there's the map. And different trails to walk down. And our first view we have
Let's go. Here. Come on.
American Kestrel. Two of them. Hey, bird. They look pretty cool. Can y'all see that? Yay. That's awesome. So the hours are from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And we just walk through the woods. We in the back. Everything I do is in the backwoods, y'all. I'm trying to tell you how damn it. We're going to see some animals around here, boy. Yeehaw, boy. We're going to see Merlin 73 feet. Which way we going, everybody? We're going to see the Merlins or the Falcons or the Saker Falcons or some crested, whatever the hell that is, or eagles. We're going to the eagles this way. Welcome to the eagle's nest. Benches you can sit down and take you a break. And everybody, I'm with my kinfolk. Y'all know Aunt Mary already. That's her daughter, and that's Joy, and then Joy's daughter.
Taylor.
Miss Taylor Bud.
Turn around and wave.
Say hey to the camera. It's right here. Say hey.
Say hey, everybody. Tell them, say, we're looking for owls.
Yeah, we are. Oh.
Tater's got the map.
Tater's got the map. To the owls we go. Look, there's one.
Ah, Tay, look at that.
Long-eared owl.
A long-eared owl.
Long-eared owl.
Pretty.
Yeah, pretty. That's a nice looking owl.
Wow.
Ooh,
Hey.
ooh, ooh,
Hey,
ooh.
Mom, you want to take a picture?
Uh-huh.
Hang on, Tater. Grandma's going to take a picture at the shopping center.
So, this is the owl forest, everybody. Welcome to it. We're going deep in the woods. The backwoods, that is.
All right, ready?
And,
Now let's do it.
welcome to it.
Do a funny face. You want to do a funny face? Okay, ready? Yeah.
Donated by Bruce and Nancy Roberts, the Owl Forest. So they must have donated this land or something for these folks. Mushroom.
Joy's in the mushrooms.
Yes, I am.
Come
I need a
on.
selfie with this mushroom right now.
Get it on. We're gonna do it with the
Selfies with the mushroom.
Hi, owl.
Hey, owl.
I think that's
Grab
the
that.
daddy one. All right.
And see.
Daddy one. I think it's
Oh, we do some tripping around here. Yeehaw.
I am a stupid owl. Mommy.
So, Owl Forest Artist Circle. So you can go up in here and paint.
Wow.
Is that not cool?
Look at how they make these trees look like crayons and pencils.
Here. Look at the little chairs.
I feel like I'm in a witch's circle.
Wow. We're in a magical forest. Look at the little chairs.
I'm going to sit on my throne. I shall have a seat. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
All right. I am the king of the castle. The king of the castle.
Okay.
Come on here, baby. Look.
The youngin' just fell, but I wasn't going to record that for y'all to laugh at. So, haha, you missed.
Look, you're coloring in the forest.
Oh, somebody says, F you.
Coloring pencil.
Why y'all want to say fuck you out here in the middle of the woods for?
Come on now.
When you got little kids out here, whatever them damn things say. You got little damn bird houses and donations and stuff.
She don't do nothing but draw.
Oh, she drawed a pretty heart. Is that how pretty your heart is?
Absolutely.
All right.
There's one over here.
Let's go find an owl.
Well,
There's one over here.
There.
Yep.
on to the
There
next.
we go.
So I can't clip it
Go
because
there.
don't have an editing thing, so y'all gonna have to vlog all the way through with no edit. Look at that big
Oh
owl.
my gosh.
That
Hey.
one I was looking for.
His name is Cod, and he's a Eurasian eagle owl.
A Eurasian eagle owl.
Yeah.
Look, he is huge.
Oh!
Wow, resident since 2012 he has been here.
Go.
It's a pretty owl.
Go. The owl.
Eurasian eagle owls are one
Look,
of
there's
the
another one
largest
right there.
owls
That
in the world.
Bigo.
Look
And this
at
is
Bigo. Look how pretty.
This is a
he
barred owl.
Oh, look how
Name is
pretty.
Bigo.
Hey, Bigo.
Oh, and way over there in the corner we have
Moan.
another barred owl back there.
It's Sophie and Rosalind and Shakespeare.
Yep. That was the name.
Yep, that's his name.
You're not left alone over here, buddy.
Well, you gotta slow your roll. We're gonna look at him. Look how pretty.
Look, there's 1, 2,
Wow,
3,
look,
4.
hey.
Where do you see more? I see one. Oh, there's another one up there in the thing.
Yeah.
They be hiding. They camouflaged around this son of a bitch. Look, there's another right there. No wonder you can't see owls in the damn forest. Them some bitches camouflaged as hell. Look at him looking at us. He sees himself.
Oh, ain't he pretty? Oh, ain't he beautiful?
Yes, he is. He just winked at you. He
Oh,
just winked at the camera. Yeah, he did. Bye-bye. Oh, we are going to enter.
Once they climb up there.
We're entering through the exit only. The youngin' wants to play. This area is closed, it says.
We're in the wrong place. Uh-oh.
Why are we in the wrong place? What is it? Rats.
All the clothes.
Oh, yeah, this area is closed.
Oh, did you hear that, Taylor?
I did.
We walked off and he said, woo!
Woo! Woo!
So cute.
Woo!
Taylor, you dog is.
What are you saying?
He's saying, woo! Where'd Taylor go?
Through the gates. Through the gates. Eagle's 165 feet this way.
I am a stupid owl.
No.
Bye-bye to the closed area. Bye-bye, owl.
The owl forest.
None such thing.
Let's go.
Y'all, we've seen a couple birdies and owls already. We're on 8 minutes and something. Wished I could edit so I could show y'all all the animals, but I don't have no editing, so y'all having to enjoy the whole thing. But we are now walking up on the Betty and J. Stanley Livingstone. Eagles are this way. You still got your map? We going the right way? Think we're going the right way.
Take a picture with the eagle.
Think we're going the right way, everybody.
All right.
Now do a funny face.
Now do a funny face.
We in the woods, boy. Can't see me. You can't see me because I'm hidden damn good. Oh, stepping into something. Oh, I feel like I done walked into the prison again. Ah, damn. American flag, USA. We some USA Patriot. Patriot Mud Jug. Get you one at mudjug.com. We some American representatives over here. Yeah.
She's moving.
What is moving?
The eagle.
Where? Oh, look at the big eagle through the woods.
Oh. Yes, sir.
Cool.
He's right. Oh. Wow. He's talking.
He's a baby one.
Wow.
Oh.
Why they got all these trees?
Yeah, so we can't see him. Making it hard to see the eagle.
Yeah.
The bald
Two
eagle.
of them in there.
Damn, yeah, they're making it hard to see. Nope, there's one way over there on the grass. If you come here and look.
Wow.
Way back over there.
Wow.
See?
Yes.
I
Oh,
see
yeah.
him.
Here
Can
you
you
are.
look all the way very back? See the white head?
Huh?
That's him. And he just turned his head.
Wow.
Yeah. Big old bald eagle.
Yeah.
Fresh eggs, y'all. Let's get some. I'm hungry, boy. Hot damn. Where the grill at? We finna eat some omelets up in this bitch. The eagle painting, that's pretty. You having fun, Miss Mary?
Yes, I am. I love it.
All right.
It's so beautiful in
Yeah.
October.
Yes, it
We
is.
call it Rocktober.
October, that's why we rocking on.
Gripping strength.
What is a golden eagle's gripping strength?
They can grip with 1,000 pounds of pressure per square inch of their talon.
Woo!
1,000 pounds.
One.
King
very
Arthur.
strong.
King Arthur was that dude.
Y'all, I'm gonna try to get y'all to one more birdie and then I'm gonna have to cut her off because this video is going
Long as hell.
long.
There.
And we're on about 12 minutes, but we are exiting the bald eagle's prison. Okay. She said we had to be quiet. She said, shh. So now we are somewhere in the woods, man. We gonna get lost in this some bitch. Let's go to this gate right here. What's in it? Watch your step. Oh, we got barn owls, red tails, northerners. I'm taking a shortcut, everybody. The owl forest. We're gonna go over here and see what's in here real fast. If y'all look up there on the top, y'all can see the two owls up there on the owl house. Ooh,
Oh, can you see them?
Mommy?
and these are barn owls, everybody.
Wow.
We gonna end this backwoods style in the barn.
In the barn.
So we're gonna end it with the barn owls.
Fingers
And hope y'all enjoyed it. My name's T. Rail. This has been Carolina's Rapture Center. My name's T. Rail. Enjoy the woods, boy. Yeehaw.